Hello guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be running you through 5 tips to optimize your e-commerce product for SEO. So let's get straight into it, no wasting time. The first one we're going to look at is adjusting your title and meta tags. So go to where your product is stored, and what we're going to have a look at is, what am I doing? I need to go into here, and we want to go and edit our product. And what we're going to do is we're going to make sure our title tags and descriptions are appearing correctly. Now this is what appears on Google. So if you edit your product, and in this case I'm going to go to, not this one, I'm going to go to product and have a look and find the SEO area on your website. This is Squarespace, but whatever platform you're using. Here we are. You can see I've edited mine already to say hat holder and saver for car. So I'm targeting these 2 keywords, hat holder and hat saver. You can see I've got the car hat holder in my URL, and I've given it a title of shop online from Australia. You can see I've also included my keywords hat holder and car here, and some other keywords like a Kubra and broad brim hat. So that is how I've optimized my title and description for SEO. The next thing we're going to look at is the content that you've got on your website. Now, it's super important that your product has a heap of content. I'm talking written, verbal, video, whatever you can do, have it. So already off the bat, I've got a heap of photos, a heap of content up here, more content down here about compatibility of the product, an installation video, product details down here, hat types that suits, product dimensions, installation instructors, and then some happy customers. And then down here even more, I've got shipping information and returns information. So I've got a heap of content on there. And what I'm trying to do is I'm going through and looking at my competitors, and I'm having a look at how much content they have, and I'm going to write more content. If we go here and have a look at the top ranking person, I'm going to jump in here and see, okay, so they've written this much. I've got to write more than this, and I've got to have more content than this. So that is my goal. The third thing we'll look at is your photos. So if we go back here and have a look at our photos, you can see I've got a few photos in here. And what you can do is adjust the metadata. And what we're looking to adjust is either the title of the image or the alt text or the alternative text. And you want this alternative text to reflect what your product is and what the keyword is that you're targeting. In my case, I'm looking at stuff like 4-wheel drive car hat holder, or we'll have a look at one of these other ones. I'm looking at car hat holder for 4x4. I'm writing slightly different variations of my target keyword, but I'm writing the very similar thing for every image. And what this is doing is it's going to help my products appear in Google Images, but it's also actually helping your product. It's actually helping Google understand what these products are. So giving them some alt tags and titling them correctly makes a huge difference. I can't stress that enough. Another great tip that most people don't do to optimize their products for SEO is they don't add a video. Adding a video is a great signal to Google that this page is an excellent resource, because Google reads through this content and sees a video and goes, oh my goodness, this page has got everything. It's got text, it's got photos, it's got videos. It's a really well thought out page. And also Google owns YouTube, so it's really good as well to increase your SEO there. And once again, you can see I've included the same title, which has got my SEO of car hat holder. So include a video, and it doesn't have to be a perfect video. My video is not amazing. All mine is me with my iPhone in my car talking about the product. So you don't have to do anything amazing either. You can simply just chuck something up that is going to provide value, but you don't have to spend $7 trillion making it. And last but not least, you want to create some internal links to this product. What I mean by that is I've gone through my blog articles and I've added in links to my products. So if we have a look at one of these articles here, what I've done is sneakily down at the bottom, I've given a thank you and said, if you're looking to do a lot of driving and I talk a bit about my product here, I then link to the hat holder there. Note that the keywords that I've highlighted a hat holder to fit 4-wheel drives, that is going to help Google understand what this product is. So I've linked it here and I've linked it there as well. And I've also thrown in these images here as well, just to help the user experience so they can understand what I'm selling. So those are my 5 SEO tips for selling your e-commerce products. Let me quickly recap them for you. 1, we've got the title and the description, which is different to this title here. It's this title that appears up here, or it's the title that appears in Google when you search the product. There it is, hat holder and saver for car. So that is the title there that we want to adjust, and this title here. The second one is lots of content. Fill it up with content. Fill up this page. If your page isn't full of content, then Google isn't going to rank it. 3, include photos and adjust the meta tags. I have only got 6 in here at the moment, but I am going to add more as I get more content created. 4th, add that video. You can literally go film a product video and put it on YouTube. It takes nothing. Design a nice thumbnail because that makes it look so much more professional. And last but not least, internally link your product using blog articles or whatever you've got on your website. Make sure you link it. I've even linked it on my homepage by creating a banner. So I haven't missed out any opportunities. Here it is. So guys, those are my 5 tips for optimizing SEO. If you want some more tips, hang around, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'm going to be publishing some more content about SEO for e-commerce because I'm a big nerd. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll speak to you next time. Ciao, ciao.